Wanda.
And I'm Kiah. And today we're going to be presenting our Kuiper Belt presentation.
The Kuiper Belt is a huge region of icy objects beyond Neptune.
The inner edge of the Kuiper Belt is about 30 AU from the Sun, and the outer edge is about 50. AU stands for astronomical unit.
The Kuiper Belt is named after a man called Gerard Kuiper, who did not in fact discover the Kuiper Belt, but only theorized its existence. As we keep going, keep in mind that the Kuiper Belt is very, very far out into space, and astronomers have only scratched the surface of what's out there. The Kuiper Belt is also not a planet, although it does share some similarities with the asteroid belt.
The Kuiper Belt consists of icy objects and dwarf planets. The dwarf planets that are found in the Kuiper Belt are Pluto, Eris, Haumea, and Makemake.
When the solar system was formed, much of the gas, dust, and rocks pulled together forming planets. The planets then swept most of the debris either into the sun or out of the solar system, forming a belt around our solar system, now called the Kuiper Belt.
We could not find how long it took the Kuiper Belt to rotate around the sun, but we do know it takes Eris 558 years to rotate around the sun.
And it takes Pluto 6 days, 9 hours, and 36 Earth minutes to complete one rotation on its axis.
Both Pluto and Eris are very cold planets, so I die right now. Because they have little to no atmosphere, so you could say that it's not thick enough. Pluto's atmosphere is made out of mostly nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. I don't know what those things are, so teach me, please.
Eris?
No. And Eris is mostly made out of Eris is mostly made out of nitrogen and methane.
Eris's atmosphere.
Yeah.
Eris has an average temperature of negative 231 degrees Fahrenheit, and Pluto has an average of negative 369 degrees to negative 387 degrees Fahrenheit.
It looks like Pluto and Eris don't need chill pills.
Is that necessary?
Yes, it was me.
Okay, go.
A lot of Kuiper Belt objects, or KBOs, I don't know, no, that's not even a cool abbreviation, have moons. Pluto's moons are Charon or Charon. Charon. Styx with an YX. Kerbos, like Kirby. Kerberos, like Kirby, if you need help with that. And Hydra. Hydra. Eris, Haumea, and Quar are also Kuiper Belt objects that have moons.
The Kuiper Belt itself does not have any rings, but Cherry Globe, a KBO, has 2 rings. If a human were to go to Pluto or Eris, they'd likely freeze, if not before choking on the atmosphere, which has little to no oxygen.
Many astronomers think the Kuiper Belt is the source of comets. And if you forgot, comets are icy objects that are made of dust and ice.
So in other words,
the Kuiper Belt is a huge ring around our solar system that gives us shooting stars.
I hope our presentation taught you something.
Bye-bye.